the Superstar Daycare. You're just in time for arts and crafts. Now, just sit right there and don't move. I'll go fetch whatever materials you need, okay? Use that rubber dart gun to tell me what art supplies you need from the Fun Craft Shelf. Just point and pick. It'll be so much fun. Try it now. Select that brush. Oh, good job, good job. Now that you have a brush, guess what time it is? It's time to pick my numbers. Just follow the happy little numbers. They make all the hard color choices for you. When you are done, hit the button and I can evaluate your work. What are you waiting for? Hey, keep those parts to yourself. Oh, that was only funny the first few times. Contemporary, yet classical. Brilliant. Ready for your next project? Time to make paper pals. Paper pals will be your friends forever and ever and ever. All the necessary materials are here on the craft shelf. Well, let's see some hustle and bustle. If you don't see the item you're looking for, pull that fancy-looking cord. Very funny. You can stop throwing things. Oh. Very funny. Do it again, and you're taking a nap. Very funny. Keep the lights on. Are you done yet?